course it's heavy.
Oh, you're narrating here.
There we go. You like that? Got the little microphone going. Thank you, sir. Brum, cargo drive guard. There's a lot of background sound, so hopefully we can hear me. I know as soon as I'm driving up this driver's stand, everybody's gonna hate it. See? What do you think? What do you think about this scope?
You don't want my real opinion.
I want your real opinion. What do you think?
No.
Keep in mind.
I don't want to end that online.
Oh, wow. I love it. Tommy, how do you feel, buddy?
Adopted.
Oh, that's okay. I have no driving spot. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? I'll just stand down here. I don't really care. They purposely widen their feet. Am I able to stand in here, or are you gonna yell at me?
You can stand there. You just can't say a word.
Well, I'm gonna talk the entire time. I hope you know that.
Who are you talking to?
To my microphone. How you doing, Chris?
Seems like there's a lot of cars.
I think there's 8 cars on this one. Oh yeah, even Manny's in this one. There is a lot of cars, huh?
10, 11.
What? No way. 2. Yeah, I can see 10. That's a lot of cars in this main there, Edward. What is it, 8 and 2 bumps?
He was only doing one bump,
goodness.
and then he offered him a bump.
For who the bump? Well, whoever got the bump got a blessed day. My car's still skating. Whoa, your car's done. All right. So, I think the starting lineup is going to be Mr. Hank in 1. I think I'm in 2. He's so speedy. Look at that guy. Just dive bomb in the first corner like that. Wow. No, that'd be rude. So, first place is going to be Mr. Hank. Hank is, can I get my finger in here to look? That's Hank there. And my car. Wow.
Is it popping up on the inside, or is it's in the dirt, right?
So 13.5 4-wheel buggy throwdown. What are you thinking, Rick? Rick's thinking I'm going right to the front. You're going right to the front, Rick?
I think I'm going to lap all you.
Nice. I love it. Hi. Hello. They normally boo me. They didn't boo me that time. I'm so proud. I must be doing good. Yay, keep going. He's so old. I love Raz. Mr. Rick, look at that brand new body, but no stickers on it. Look at all these bodies, no stickers. We got Cully with a fresh body. Oh my God, Chris Christo. He's got no stickers on too. Where's all the stickers, fellas?
Hey, at least the ones that don't have stickers aren't sponsored.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Sasquatch.
Except Christo. What's that? I said everyone that doesn't have stickers aren't sponsored. I got stickers.
I got credit. I just want to do some racing now.
Huh?
You ready to do some racing?
No.
All right.
Not really.
Bop, bop, bop.
Marshall's ready.
Already.
We got 5 minutes on the tone. Both with a good squat. Can't make it more than that. Free. All right, boys, here we go. Less than 5.
So as we break away a little bit, definitely going to focus on my own driving to stay ahead of the number 3 driver if we can break away. Okay, yeah. So just take a deep breath and reset. Just go in front of the number 3 driver. So you can play a little bit of defense right here. I know that Cody's going to be pushing really hard, but I just defend my inside lines even though my car's a little slidey. Hopefully we can make through some traffic here clean. So Cody makes a mistake. Hopefully Johnny gives me a little bit of room here. Doesn't have to, but it'd be nice to get some room. He gives me a little bit of room. Hopefully he doesn't pick me out. Kind of defend that inside line there. Manny goes wide. Thank you, sir. Now we got to back a race. So, got some clear track time. Let's really push the laps. I see that. All right, focus up. Gotta watch Marshall here as well too as he goes in. Did not die. Alright, so we're getting a little bit of time on him. Alright, he's coming up into some traffic here, so hopefully we can make up some time there. It gets pretty easy. Alright, so 2 points here. It's a good baseline. Let's watch what he can do here. I'm gonna make a little mistake. I'm gonna be nice and precise. John dives on the inside. Thank you, Johnny. So courteous. I think Hank just got taken out here, so I believe I'm in the lead right now. Hopefully we can get, and then Hank makes another mistake. All right, so what I have to do here is calm down with my driving, but still keep up speed-wise. The pace is important, not getting tangled with traffic is way more important though. You're kind of playing an entire different game from the front pack. You're playing that rabbit that you have the right of way, but you also how to control your nerves. You've been racing a little bit of time, so you kind of don't really get too nervous anymore. Oh, that's extra clock. Must be a 5-minute race. So the crash came at the perfect time. Just gotta make sure we carry one more triple. I wonder if the clock will expire here. So we get the last lap, and it's kind of a victory lap at this point, so might as well throw, or at least try to throw a big whip. Oh, I crashed. Lol. That's Hank right here, so he's gonna try and dive bomb me. Guaranteed right here. Watch this. Yay! Oh, that was a fantastic run. Nice run, buddy. That was awesome. So taking it down, started second, finished up first. Always a huge shout out to all my sponsors. RCExcitement first nowadays. So much fun to be able to race at this place, be able to race with the environment that we have. Everybody just having fun. Tlr, Tekin, Spectrum, Proline, Horizon Hobby. Mike Barkus, always a great driver, just bad luck today. But thank you guys for tuning in. Cool new segment. What do you think, Will?
Yeah, you did great, man.
Thanks, man. I try to drive my toy car. Also, shout out to Caden. Always pretty cool. Nice sticker on the front. He'll be go fast today. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Enjoy.